We have completed the initial estimate on your vehicle. Please keep in mind that this is probably not the final repair price. At Sharp Auto Body, we do 100% disassembly. That serves two purposes. One, it helps us itemize everything that we need to repair your vehicle per the manufacturer's requirements. And two, it gets us a complete price to send to the insurance company as quickly as possible. This ensures your repair has high quality and the standards it needs to keep you and your family safe. Insurance companies tell our clients that they will have to pay additional money out of their pocket if they choose our shop. This is simply not true. We regularly help our clients recover over thousands of dollars, sometimes over $10,000 or more, so that we ensure their vehicle is repaired correctly and safely using a very powerful tool called the RTA, Right to Appraisal. It's a legal option built into your policy that few people know about. We guide you through that process with care and clarity. You don't need to fight. You don't need to be an expert. That's what we're here for. At Sharp Auto Body, we advocate for you.